Oh, see, your granddaughter Haley is beside you. And Haley beside you. Oh, she like to stay with you. Oh, she don't cry. Oh, she's looking at you. Haley, that is your grandma. Your grandma Eva. Oh. Oh. Your grandma Eva. Hello, grandma. Your grandma Eva is with you. And it's Haley. Carry Haley. Mm. Your grandma? Oh, you call your grandma? Oh, your grandma smiling, oh. She's listening to you. She's listening to you. Your saliva there. Huh? Saliva. Your saliva. Mm. And this your granddaughter. His granddaughter. Yeah. The grandma and the granddaughter sleeping side by side.